Hello all, welcome back to our favorite V and Data channel. Today let us discuss about how to update and delete in a table using PostgreSQL. Let us get into the video. So today we are going to learn about update and delete. So what is an update? When a data in an existing table is changed or modified, we tell that as an update. Why we update a table? Because the user may have entered a wrong value or the column would have been empty. To change that, we use update. The basic syntax of update is how to write a update query is update. It is a keyword. Table name. Here employee info table is a table name. Set, that is also a keyword. So update values, here age equal to 25, last name equal to BB, where the condition we have to write employee ID equal to 3. Now in our table, if we see for the employee ID 3, we have AA, BB, 35, ABB at XYZ. Now what our query will do? So what our query will do is it will change the age to 25 and the last name to capital BB. For whom it is done? It is done for employee ID 3. So let us see what happens. In our table the update is done. So now the update is done. It is done for employee ID 3. Next, let us try to change the employee ID. So here what we are going to do is we are going to change the email ID of the employee. Update employee info table. Set email ID equal to AA capital BB at xyz.com, where first name equal to AA, which means who are all the people having the first name as AA, for them the email ID will be changed as AA capital BB at xyz.com. Now in our table we could see the changes in the table. So this is how we will update the record. The first query is to update the multiple record and the second query is to update the single record. So let us try to delete the data. Delete from employee info table where employee ID equal to 6. It will delete the record where the employee ID is 6. So the syntax is delete keyword from keyword table name where is also a keyword and condition. So let us run this. See, in our table we don't have the record for employee ID 6 because we have deleted it. Next, let us try to delete all the employees who has age less than 34. So what will happen? So who are all the people having age less than 34? Those items will be deleted. So what will happen in our table is the age of 32, 22, 25, 30 will get deleted. Here we have 8 records. 4 will be deleted and we will have 4 records remaining. So we are able to see that there are 4 data remaining. Now how to delete the full data in the table? We use delete from table, that is employee info table. So now all the records in the table is deleted. See, only the data in the table are deleted, not the whole table. The structure of the table is remained as such. To delete the table we use actually drop command, but here we use delete command to delete the data in the table. This is how we use update and delete in a table. So in our next video, let us discuss some other SQL and SQL analytics. Until then, it is bye from our favorite V and Data channel.